Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. Okay, so Jessica here, and I've got another unboxing. And this is my Boxycharm Base Box. I pay for all my boxes, so I don't get any of them in PR. These I pay for out of my pocket. And I did set up a third Boxycharm account so that on the Boxy Luxe months, I can still get a base box. Because, y'all, the base boxes are always super good, no matter what. So, we're going to dive in and see what goodies I got in this month's June 2021 Boxycharm Base Box. Now, there is a card. The theme this month is Dare to Dazzle. And then on the other side of the card is a list of all the products in my box, in addition to a brief description and the prices. So we'll go over all of that, and then at the end of the video, I will tell you the total value of my $25 box. In addition to that, I'll also let you know the total percentage of savings we got off of retail by getting this $25 box. Okay, let's dive right into it. So the first thing I've got is from Luna Magic. And it's the Vava Voom Pink Eyelash Primer. I've seen other eyelash primers, and I've seen them in black, obviously. And I think I've seen them in blue, too, and white for a lash primer. This is what it looks like. Let's see what the card says. So, this is a brand new launch. So, this is a new release product, and we get to be one of the first ones getting our hands on it, which is always super nice. And there's actually 2 products in my box this month with new launch items in there. So that's really cool. Now, like I said, it retails, the Pink Lash Primer retails for $25. And it says, with just one sweep, this innovative primer glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It is a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new and innovative emulsifier, which adds volume and extra length. I've used lash primers before, and I've had luck with some of them, and others, meh, not much luck. But, so, look at that. God, I wonder if you can wear this as like a regular mascara. What do you think? I don't know, maybe I'll try it one day. Okay, the next thing I got is from GlamGlow. And it's the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. This retails for $32. And it's an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris. And it removes excess oil and makeup. So I am actually curious to try this. I do have oily skin, so a cleanser with charcoal in it is supposed to be really good for oily skin. So I'll definitely give it a try and I'll let y'all know. Okay, the next thing I got is from Jecca Black, and it's a hydrate primer. This retails for $20, which is actually really reasonable. It's a moisturizer that will help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base makeup. Okay. Oh, okay. This is the other new release. It's from Touch in Sol. And it's the Glossybox Makeup Palette. This retails for $34. And it's supposed to be like a bronzer and kind of a blush. I don't know. Let's see. Here's the packaging. It's a metal container or palette, which is always really nice for travel. And it does also have a nice little mirror in it. And y'all, this is flippin' beautiful. Look at that. So I definitely see like the lighter shades for highlight, and then, you know, the kind of the pinky for blush. Now, I guess this would be considered somewhat of a bronzer. It just, everything is super shimmery. So with bronzer and blush, I usually don't like this much shimmer. Honestly, because if you don't know, matte shades tend to diffuse and blur fine lines, pores, wrinkles, skin texture imperfections, and stuff like that. Shimmers tend to bring them out a little bit more. I've seen it a lot with me trying to use shimmery, you know, blushes or bronzers like this. I've seen it on my face, how it brings out the imperfections, the texture, my pores, all that no fun stuff. So, just putting it out there so you know. Okay, the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glossybox Makeup Palette. Like I said, it's a new launch and it retails for $34. It's a multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that use your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. Okay. Now, last but not least is from Able Skincare. And this is a night recovery cream. And it's one of those doozy prices again. As you can see, it's not very big, especially for a night mask. If it was an eye cream, I could see the size, but when you're putting it all over your face as a night mask at night, every night, it's not going to last you very long. But either way, this baby is $114. Yeah, right? So this is the Able Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream. It's a cream that aims to restore skin's balance and infuse deep hydration and nourishment. It also works to improve skin texture while lessening the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Yep, that's what Mama needs. Okay, so that's everything in my June 2021 Boxycharm Base Box. I'm actually really, really happy with it. Honestly, because the Touch and Soul Gradient face palette is shimmery. I think I'm going to put this aside for my 5K giveaway. So when I actually finally hit 5K and I announce that giveaway, one of you will get this in your goodie bag because there's going to be 5 winners for 5K. Yeah, I'm all excited. Okay, so the total value of this box is $225 in a $25 box, right? Not bad. I think this has got higher value than one of my premiums this month. Yeah, that's funny. So in getting the $25 box of goodies, you actually save 89% off of retail. So if you were to purchase all of these items individually, you're looking at spending $225. Or you can save almost flipping 90% and just get it in your Boxycharm. Not bad, right? Alrighty, that's it. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. I do. And if you would, before you go, smash that subscribe button. That way, it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. In addition to the other unboxings I do, the giveaways, the spoiler videos, in addition to notifications of mystery boxes, deals, sales, and all that good stuff that I search every day to try to get out to you guys. Again, thank you. Love you bunches. Take care. And I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.